Hey y'all, it's Brittany and welcome back. I am coming to y'all today with a new wig review. And this wig review is all about one of our favorites, and that is Luvme Hair. So if you want to check out what I got in this box, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So everyone who is already subscribed, hey girl, welcome back, Busy Bee. And for those of you who are just finding my channel, welcome. Make sure you stick around. Make sure you subscribe. This is their 22-inch deep wave headband wig, and I was excited to try this one out. I have another version of this from another hair company that I got off Amazon, so I want to compare quality because Luvme Hair is not cheap, y'all. So wanted to compare quality, and let's see what we got. So the first thing is headbands, and it looks like quite a few. I'm very excited because this is a completely different set of headbands from what I've received in my previous boxes. So it's nice that they're switching up the prints and the styles, but let's see really quick what headbands we got this time. So it is 5 headbands. So they are the knotted headbands. These are my favorite style of headbands to wear with these wigs because it's wide enough to camouflage the actual black headband that comes with the wig, but it still looks cute in the front. It still has a nice, cute style. So we have this color, we have this, and I think this one is probably my favorite, especially for summer. Tie-dye is in, and they sent this cute tie-dye one. This one, yes, my favorite. And they are super stretchy, so they'll be super comfortable on your head. They also sent kind of this taupe colored one, which is perfect for when I'm trying to get ready for that Zoom call at work, because y'all know I am a career woman. I work a full-time job. And this one is another one I think that would be good for work as well. This is kind of a light gray, almost silver, and it's very stretchy. I am such a fan of the really stretchy material headbands just because I'm prone to stress headaches, tension headaches, and I also get really bad migraines. I also have a big head. So they are big head friendly, and they are super comfortable and friendly to those who are prone to headaches and migraines. So here is the full set. So I am very happy with what they sent. I love all of these colors. All these colors I rock weekly. So they were definitely on point with the headbands this go round. I think I like these headbands more than the ones that I've received in my previous orders from Luvme Hair. The next thing that's in the box is obviously a wig cap. Also the cute little holographic package that usually includes a edge brush and comb. There's tweezers, there are bobby pins, a Luvme hair clip, a elastic band in case you want to install one. And then they also include a nice scarf. When you're trying to lay down wigs, these are perfect for that. Okay, so now that we are done with all the extra goodies that come in the box, let's get into this wig, y'all. And let me just say, y'all always know I'm smelling my hair. I want to make sure it don't have a funky scent to it, and it doesn't. It smells like typical wig hair that you get. So there's no bad chemical scent to it. It is a heavier, it feels heavier than my other loose wave wig, and that one is also a 22-inch. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and check that out. It's my vacation hair that I used when I went to Mexico last month. But this one, it feels heavier than the other one, and the other one was 180% density. So I'm excited about this one. When I say heavy, I don't mean like heavy on your head. I mean like the amount of hair that's on here it feels like a lot. So look at this. Look. I instantly love the texture. Y'all know I'm brushing this out. You have to brush this out. Don't be walking around with ramen noodles on your head, okay? Make sure you're brushing your wig out when you receive it. If you're not washing it, you should be washing it. But if you're not washing it and you want to wear it, you need to wet it down and brush it out first to get the actual texture of what the wig should be. This is not how you should be walking around with your hair. But that being said, the texture is beautiful. This is very soft, shiny, but not like fake hair shiny. And it is full all the way down to the bottom. All the way down. So this is a full 22-inch wig. You're not going to get thin towards the bottom where it looks like you need to just go ahead and cut that off. This is a full wig. In terms of construction, I have to be honest, I am not a fan of the way that this headband is put on. I don't know if you can see, but the way that it is sewn on, it has this like little flap that's kind of folding back forward onto the headband, if you can see that. And I'm just not a fan of that. A lot of times I like to wear these with just the black headband because it still looks natural on my head. But I probably wouldn't do that with this one. So I usually like to see where they're sewing it on, but they're tucking this piece in between the two layers of fabric of this. And that way it's kind of camouflaged and you don't get this little lip thing here. Besides that, it's standard construction. You have a Velcro strap closure. You have your standard 4 combs, one at the crown, 2 on the sides, and then 1 at the nape. And what I love about Luvme Hair's headband wigs is they always fit so comfortable. I don't have to wait for them to kind of stretch out to fit my big head. As soon as I put it on my head, it's big enough and it feels comfortable. It's still small enough for the smaller heads, but it's comfortable on my head where I don't get a headache. The cap is a stretchy cap. And then very good construction. It's machine weft, but great spacing to where it doesn't look like if the wind blows, they can see your tracks on your headband wig. That's always a concern with those cheaper wigs too. In terms of construction, it's very on par with Luvme Hair, everything that I've bought previously. So Luvme Hair did reach out to me to actually try this wig out. So this wig I did not pay for. This is the first time I've ever received anything from them where I didn't actually have to pay for it. So all of my other reviews that you guys have seen, I've paid for out of my own pocket with my own coins that I earned from my job. So this is the first time that I'm actually reviewing something that they asked me to review. So thank you, first of all, Luvme Hair, for reaching out to me and recognizing my work. But this is just for y'all. Disclaimer. I'm still going to give it to y'all real, straight up and down and honest. No matter how I got this product, I'm going to tell y'all if I like it or not. I'm going to explain to you the quality versus my expectations. And that's just what it is. I don't care who I'm working with. That's how I work. So I'm just letting y'all know that because this is actually on par with the things that I've purchased. This is not any better than the ones that I have actually purchased because there's a whole lot of hype out there that, you know, influencers get grade A wigs. They get the better wigs than what we actually buy and receive. This is the same exact thing that I've received when I purchased it myself. I got no extra perks. There's nothing extra in the box. There's no extra tracks sewn in for me. It's the same that I've gotten before, but it's good quality. I've never gotten anything that was poor quality from Luvme Hair. So with that being said, we are gonna wet her down, spray with some water, brush her out a little bit, and then we'll talk about how I feel about this afterwards. Okay, you guys, so I laid my edges down real quick, nothing special. Just keeping it clean. So I have my wig cap on as well. And I always put my wig cap a little further back than where I want to put the combs for my hair so that they still stay camouflaged. For the purposes of this review, I am going to demonstrate everything on my head. So I have not washed this wig yet, but I'm going to spray it down, brush it out, and then share my thoughts with you guys on what I think of it as well. So let's go ahead and slap her on real quick. And I always start with the back comb, and that helps me to make sure that I have enough space and I'm not causing too much tension here as well. So the wig is on. It feels very light on my head. She feels good on my head, not too tight, not causing a whole bunch of tension. So let's go ahead and spray it down with water, brush it out a little bit, and see what the texture looks like once it's brushed out. Just running my fingers through it while I was spraying it, I got just a few strands, if you could see that. So nothing crazy so far in terms of shedding. That was to be expected. But now I'm just gonna take my wig brush and brush her out. I'm gonna start at the bottom. Full all the way to the bottom. This is the shedding. And then I'm just gonna spray a little bit of leave-in conditioner on it just to give it some moisture because I'm about to go outside in it. Look at that texture. Y'all, this hair is beautiful. Y'all know I like big hair. So let's throw a quick headband on it and I'll give you my final thoughts. Y'all, this is so cute. This hair is phenomenal. It's well worth the money. Like I said, I have another wig from another company on Amazon that is the same texture, the same length, and it was supposed to be a higher density. It was supposed to be 180, and this is, I think, a 150 density. But this already feels like a fuller wig. It is beautiful. This hair texture is beautiful. And it's big like I like it, but not too big like the kinky curly one. That one gets really, really big. So at some point I have to put it away. But this one is perfect. Look at this. It's full all the way down. Full all the way down. There are no complaints from me. This hair, and it doesn't take forever to dry. That's the other thing. That's what makes these type of wigs really good for like vacation. It dries really fast. I've sprayed it down, I've added product to it, and it's already starting to dry. So I love this hair. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So let's do a couple of quick styles. Obviously, this is with it down. This is a high ponytail, super cute. And you can do a cute bun. It's also long enough to do a super cute side braid. I think I might wear this braid the way it is today, y'all. This is super cute. No, I'm gonna wear my big hair. And just like that, full texture is back. This is absolutely fabulous. I think I love this more than my Afro Kinky curly wig that I did a review on that you guys loved. I think I love this more because it's more manageable. It's easier to wear. It's a little lighter than that one. And I just love the look of it. It's perfect for summer. Hot girl summer, hot mom summer, whatever y'all want to call it. Okay, sis? It's the wig for it, okay? You can do anything with this wig. You can even use it as a half wig, all those different styles. If you want me to do some of those type of styles, you guys let me know in those comments down below. But you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing in this hair, okay? Yes, this is beautiful, and it doesn't look like the ramen that it came as. Make sure you brushing out your wigs, sis and sir. But yes, keep them moisturized and they will always look like this. These wigs last forever. There is no shedding since I showed y'all the little bit of hair that came out when I initially brushed out the way it came, but I've had no shedding. It's super light. It is, again, full 22 inches, full, okay? Yes, Good job, Luvme Hair. Y'all have been doing y'all thing on these wigs. I want to try a HD lace wig from them next. So most likely, of course, I will have to buy that with my own coins, but I will make sure to make a video once I do get that wig. I've been waiting. So let me know what y'all think in the comments down below of this beautiful headband wig. I am in love, y'all. I am in love. Have you tried this texture before? Have you tried it from Luvme Hair before? I will say that it does pay off to pay more for your wig, okay? And it's cool to get them wigs off Amazon when you're looking for something quick that's gonna, do the job for maybe once or twice wearing them. But if you want longevity, if you want a healthy looking wig that's gonna last and that's not gonna mat up underneath, because I have gotten no matting, but if you want a quality wig, spend the extra coin. It will make a big difference in the long run, and your investments will pay off. I am very happy. Thank you again to Luvme Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I'm very happy that I can add her to the collection with the rest of them. And yeah, until next time, y'all, it's been fun. It's been real. Love you guys. Bye.